In today's video, I will guide you through how you can add thumbnail in YouTube Shorts. So first of all is that this is only available on the mobile version. It's yet to come out on the PC version, so take note of that. So I suggest that you do it here. Now, what you want to do is open the YouTube app first, and then from here, tap on the plus button or upload button at the bottom middle. When you tap on it, you would be able to see your gallery, and depending on where you would or what content you would like to upload as shorts. For example, I'm gonna go for this one right here. So I'm gonna click or tap on that, and then now from here, you could now cut the duration of your video depending on which part you would like it to end or how long you'd like it to be. Tap on next once you're satisfied on the bottom right. And now in here is that you could put up some text, you can do your editings and so on. So it's based on your preference on what you'd like to do on your video. But as for me, I'm just gonna tap on next because I'm only interested in the thumbnail. So now it's processing, so just wait for it. And from here, in the add details section, you don't want to tap here on upload short just yet. You would want to tap here on the pencil icon or the edit icon on the top left. Tap on it. And from here, you could now scrub through your video right here, and then you could find the best frame possible that you would want to use as your thumbnail. So this would be the way for you to add thumbnail here in YouTube Shorts. For example, I'm gonna go for this part right here, just for an example. Now in here, I can add some text by tapping here on the text icon. And from here, I'm gonna go type in sample thumbnail and make it red. And tap on done on the top right. And by the way, you could also change the font style right here on the top middle. So depending on what you'd want. And then once you're satisfied with your edits, is that you could tap here on the plus icon right here to finalize your edit on the top right. And then once you're done, you have now added a thumbnail. As you can see right here, our thumbnail is now applied. Now you can tap here and upload short. And just like that, you have now learned how you can add a thumbnail in YouTube Shorts. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.